Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, or Miranda, and I am here with a plan with me in my classic happy planner. I am planning the week of August 27th through September the 2nd, and I've jumped in and selected two sticker books, this lovely pastel sticker pad along with the Daydreamer mini sticker book from the girls release. So prior to beginning this spread, I saw two stickers that I loved in these sticker books. One was this I love or I heart the weekend sticker, and it will cover Saturday and Sunday as well as half of Friday, and that's all right because the weekend officially begins on Friday anyway. So after I straighten this sticker a little bit, you'll see me flip through the sticker pad there, and I find a really cute sticker that has that same coral scallop, and it says spoil yourself in rose gold foil. How cute is that? So after placing that sticker, you will notice that I am going to flip through both of the sticker books in order to find the perfect stickers along with the perfect placement. I am going to speed this next portion up, and I've decided not to use any washi tape with this spread. So I know that's not typical Miranda, but you'll see why I didn't use any, with the brightness of the stickers and all the rose gold accents, washi tape was not needed. And the colors on the page actually go good with the spread. Now I am placing this last box in lavender. I flip it upside down, of course, so I can get it straight. But as you guys know, I do not have any spread without colorful boxes. So as you can see, there is a huge colorful boxes presence in this spread. I mean, from the sidebar to the various days of the weeks and activities there. And then for that finishing touch, I put that rose gold, I think it says Good Times on it. So I decided to start the week out with using my black tool pen, and initially I started using the fine pen. And for some reason it was not black enough, so I don't know if it sat too long, but the ink was not coming out dark enough. So probably after writing two or three things, you'll see me switch to another pen, and that one is also a tool pen, but it is in medium. And so when I put it in medium, of course, now I have that bold, vibrant black ink that I like to see on my spread. So I am going to go ahead and add a little bit more music to the next segment as I write down my plans for the week. And I hope you guys enjoy the music. I think it sounds pretty good. So let's get these plans done. Well, that completes the plan with me for this week. I know it was short and sweet, but I totally enjoyed doing it. Love those florals from the Daydreamer mini sticker book. It turned out rather well. Well, if you guys enjoyed this spread, just give me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it. I know it's short. I'll give you more next week, promise. And don't forget our sticky note only challenge for next week. So I look forward to you guys joining me for that. I hope you guys have a great and productive week. Don't work too hard. It's really easy to do. Ciao, Bella.